like, I think I can.
This requires a systematic.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
So if you don't know by the title already, we're at the Great Wolf Lodge. Yo, yo. What's up?
Turn it up.
Just turn it up. The one that says VOL. Yeah, that run right there. The plus, plus and the VOL.
It says volume.
We're over here for the weekend,
At Great Wolf Lodge.
and we're gonna go swimming and running around.
And going on. Oh, and it even has a microwave right in front of you.
Oh, it's got a microwave.
And
Look at that. That's super handy.
you got a fridge.
Oh, and it's got a fridge. We're just showing all the amenities.
It's even got
Sweet.
and a bathroom.
Oh, and it's got a bathroom too. This is what we call the hallway of temptation. Every kid's dream. You got everything from Build-A-Bear to get a mug with your name on it to candy and cookies.
And pedicures. Pedicures for boys.
Connor, the bucket dump. Let's go do that right here. There it is, right there. Here it comes. Here it comes. Come here. Hey, that was crazy. Come on with us. We're under 672.
What's your favorite ride?
This one.
This one?
I haven't been on it yet, but
You on it?
no.
There's a drop. My favorite.
Awesome.
Let's go backwards.
You want to go backwards? They're going backwards.
I can make you both go backwards.
Get in. Go around, go around. Go around to the other side. Good. So it's morning of day 2. We went to the pool yesterday. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
We're at the buffet getting some comida, tangerita.
And he's not driving.
Oh, and he's crabby. That's all right.
No, I said he's not.
Oh, he's not crabby. Thankfully, we got a seat right next to the stage. What's that?
So you guys meet all the posted requirements, right?
Yeah,
All right, cool. Are you sure you two are at least 42 inches?
I think so.
No?
Last time
you gotta go back down the stairs, I'm sorry.
Daddy,
You guys
let me
need to hop in and go ahead.
Okay, hold on, bud. Okay, get in. Get in that one. Okay. Turn around. Turn around. And then put your feet up that way. And then grab that, yeah, grab that side. There you go.
Woo!
All right, you ready? Hold on, bud. Hold on. Let Daddy get out.
Are we gonna do the orange one next? Orange one next?
Come on.
Liam, you can hold on like this.
Get your, there you go. Right there. Right there. There we go. Hey, hey, y'all gonna have fun? Woohoo! Bye! Yeah, baby! Hold on, don't jump out. You know, just chilling. Oh no! Oh no! Oh man! That was a whole new experience, Connor. Backwards! Well, I hope you enjoyed our little trip up to the Great Wolf Lodge in Grapevine. We had a good time. The water park was a lot of fun. Everybody, including myself, enjoyed it, right? Boys, did y'all have a good time?
Yes.
Yeah. Connor's being a stinker pot. Anyway, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Visit me on Instagram, Texas Bearded Adventures, and we'll catch you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies! Now, try to run. You dang Land Rover.
You've been carrying those power tools around?
Yeah. I mean, well, this is one of my vices. I have issues with tools.
How many vices do you have?
Half a dozen, probably. Oh.
Way to go, Fred.
Fourth beer.
Patrick.
Ain't sitting too good. Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken? 10% really got me going.
Is that DNR? All right, cook those. Cook those two.
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going.